Welcome back to What a Hit Hockey Cards, and today we will be opening a retail box from 2020-2021 Series 2. This will be my first retail box opening. I've opened a couple hobby boxes before. Retail boxes are similar. You get the same amount of cards, 8 cards per pack and 24 packs. However, the difference is with retail, you're going to get base packs. There will be 6 Young Guns in here. The main one I'm looking for, Kirill Kaprizov. But there's a pretty solid class along with him as well. Tim Stutzla, that's probably the second name people are looking for. You got Brandon Hagel, Dylan Cousins, Keandre Miller, Ilya Sorokin, Mason Marchment. Those are probably the biggest names to look for with this set. But Kirill, he is the guy I'm hunting today. All right, so let's get right into it. There are other inserts in retail boxes, but obviously the main one is Young Guns. I got a really good deal for this retail box. It was only $40. The hobby box for this year was about $90, I believe. So I got less than half price for a retail box, which I'm only looking for Young Guns anyway. So I think this is a really good deal. I've seen some good breaks on YouTube from this set, so hopefully my luck will carry over to this. All right, let's get right into it. Young Guns of Kevin Lankinen. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Young Guns, Jalen Chatfield. It's a solid pull. He's on the Hurricanes now. All right, 2 packs, 2 Young Guns. It's a pretty fast start. Hopefully he can mix some other stuff in here to space it out a little bit. But 2 of 6 down. There is a chance for canvas Young Guns. I believe that's like 1 in 48 packs. So there is a chance for one of those. But the Young Guns is the main draw for this set. Okay. You got a marquee rookies of Gilles Sen. Goalie for the Devils. Okay. Okay. All right, Tampa Bay Lightning award winners. I'll have to look on the back of the box after this what the odds are for this pull. But this is a different card. Okay. You got base. All right. So yeah, I debated getting a hobby box for this year, but retail box is cheaper, and like I said, I'm really only looking for Young Guns anyway, so it just felt like a better deal. Okay. Marquee rookies, Joseph Woll. Okay. Still rehabbing with an ankle injury, I believe, with the Leafs. But should be coming back soon. Okay. All right. we got, oh, looks like we got a Dazzlers. Okay. We got marquee rookies Jake Ottinger. Another former Hockey's goalie. Okay. And the Dazzlers, Jake Gensel. Okay. Recently injured for the Penguins. Speculation around him being traded, which is kind of wild to think about since he's one of their younger guys, but they don't have much else to give away, so he might be a chip Dubas can use to retool around Sid. I believe those Dazzlers are retail box exclusive, though that specific color. There are Dazzlers for the hobby boxes. Okay. UD Portraits, Vitaly Kravtsov, formerly of the Rangers. I believe he went back to the KHL. His career in North America didn't last too long. Another former high Rangers draft pick that kind of fizzled out before anything got going. Seems to be a trend in New York. That's all I'm going to say. Okay. Still looking for 4 young guns. Kirill Kaprizov, Tim Stützle, Keandre Miller, Ilya Sorokin would all be great. All right, speaking of the devil, UD Portraits, Alexis Lafreniere. I'm actually higher on Lafreniere than Kakko, so I'm not going to say too much about that, but probably still should be doing a little bit better considering he was a #1 overall selection. Okay. Chase Prisky, Young Guns. Okay, we got a Dazzler behind that. Okay. And the Dazzler, Shane Bowers. Okay, and base. All right, so half of our Young Guns, expected Young Guns, are down. Hopefully the names pick up a little bit. Jalen Chatfield has been the best pull so far. Okay, Alexander Yellison, Young Guns. That is not a great name. I don't think he's in the league. Okay, all right, 4 down. Hopefully we get some fireworks at the end with the Young Guns. You have to think I'll get someone pretty good. There's a decent crop in here. I should get something. Okay. UD Canvas of Ricard Raquel. Now on the Penguins. He's another guy that could possibly move in Pittsburgh, but his contract is not great. So probably have a better time dealing Gensel. Okay, looks like we're almost about halfway through. Okay. UD Canvas of Nicholas Backstrom. He stepped away earlier this season to deal with his back injury, I believe it was. He had surgery, came back for a little bit earlier this year, but couldn't keep up, so he had to step away. Okay. Kale McCarr award winners. All right. Always good to pull Kale. He's my PC, so I will definitely be keeping this one. Again, I'll have to look. This is an insert. I don't recall how many packs it takes to pull one of these, but I will throw that up. Okay. Marquee rookies, Mackenzie Entwistle. One of the many young guys on Chicago looking to rebuild around Bedard. And this might be our first base pack. Yep, first base pack. Oh, we got another Dazzlers. Oli Ulevi. All right, that's a tough one to pull for this class. High draft pick, it never really panned out. All right, we're getting down to it. Still need 2 young guns. Hopefully we get a good one. Kirill Kaprizov, Young Guns. Let's go. All right, this makes the whole purchase worth it right here, folks. Let's go. Woohoo! All right, I'm sleeving this bad boy up. All right, the guy we were looking for, we grabbed him. Kirill Kaprizov. This is definitely the best young gun I have pulled on this channel. Best young gun I own. He's a superstar. Just had a hat trick the other night in that crazy game against Vancouver. All right, let's go. All right, so anything else now would be gravy. Can't complain after pulling the top guy. Brandon Hagel. All right, that's another solid one. On the Lightning now, signed a pretty big contract last year. Gonna be there for a while. All right. So if that's all the young guns we get, that's a pretty good mix. It started off very slow, but we got the guy I was looking for and another solid name. So let's see what else we can get. We got about 6 or 7 packs left, I think. Let's see. Let's see what else. Oh, we got another Dazzlers coming up. And a UD Portraits of Jonas Johansson. Another guy in the Lightning now. He played a lot when Vasilevsky was hurt earlier this year. Actually did better than I think a lot of people thought. But, all right. And Jake Ottinger Dazzlers. This looks really cool with the green matching. I like these Dazzlers a lot. Not super tough to pull, but very appealing to look at. Okay. All right. So let's count. 1, 2. We got 5 left. 5 packs left. Could get a Young Guns canvas. Could get another Young Guns. It is possible. like we got another rookie portraits. Nikolai Zainov. Okay. Yeah, base. Okay. Marquee rookies, Vitek Vanacek. Now with the Devils. I think this might be a blue parallel. Looks different than the other ones I've gotten. Okay. On to our last three. See if we got any crazy pulls left. Marquee rookies of Reed Duke. I believe he was the first ever Vegas Gold Knight. Signed him as a free agent. Okay. And base. Okay. A Yuri canvas of Guy Lafleur on the Rangers. All right. That's interesting. Must be some sort of Legends parallel for the canvas. I'll have to look and see what the odds are for that, and I'll throw it up. Okay, and base. All right, last pack coming up. Let's see. Got anything else in store? And a UD canvas of Dylan Larkin to finish us up. Okay. All right, guys. Well, it's not too often that you get exactly what you're looking for. Kirill Kaprizov, Young Guns. Retail box pull. And I snagged him. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.